Hey traders, welcome back. Here we are on the Bitcoin chart, 4-hour time frame. Then we're gonna analyze it and see what's going on it. As you can see, we had this trend line. In my previous video I told you that if we break it, we can go for a sell position, but it is not broken yet. As you can see, we have shadows below the trend line, not bodies. So we extend it like this one. Let me just zoom in. We extend it and again we extend it. If we see the body of the candles below this trend line, okay, then we can go for sell positions and put our stop loss somewhere safe and look for risk reward too. But if we see shadows below the trend line, we have to extend the trend line like I did, okay? And we do also have we have two trend lines. I told you that if we see a candle like this one, a pin bar on this trend line, okay, it is like this here, we can go for buy positions. But wait, if we see a break out of this trend line, the trend line here, which we didn't, okay, so we have this trend line extended and we have to wait for the price to see what's gonna happen. And let's switch to 1-hour time frame. As you can see, we have a trend line here which is broken. We could enter sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe and go for risk reward too. And nothing special, nothing else. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. We don't have anything special here. It's just in a range market, you know, it's really bad to trade here. Let's switch to 5-minute time frame. You can see we had the trend line broken. We could enter sell position here, put our stop loss somewhere safe here or even here and look for risk reward too, which I believe it gives us our reward. Let's see. Yes, it gave us our reward here. And yeah, it was all about that you should know about Bitcoin. I told you should focus on 4-hour time frame and the break out of this trend line. Yeah, if we have upward moves, we have to wait for this trend line be broken, then we can decide based on that, okay? If this trend line is broken, we can go for buy positions. If this trend line breaks, we can go for sell positions, but the body of the candles must close out of the trend line, okay? Not shadows. If you see shadows, we extend the line. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.
Thank you.